Prerequisite before getting started with Redux Toolkit. Now we understood the fundamentals of Redux. It's time to take the next step and learn about the modern way of writing Redux, which is Redux Toolkit. I believe now you are comfortable with the core concepts like store, state, actions, action creators, and reducers. Once you are comfortable with this concept, then understanding Redux Toolkit will be more simple and easy. So we are going to use the same pizza and burger application, but this time we will be using Redux Toolkit library. In doing so, you will have proper structure and you will understand the value of Redux Toolkit that brings into the table. And if you're watching this video and you don't know all the fundamental concept in React and Redux, then please don't proceed with Redux Toolkit. If you proceed, you are only going to confuse yourself and you will find it difficult to draw a line between what is done in React and what is done in Redux. And you don't have to be an expert by any means, but the fundamentals are absolutely necessary. But if you directly want to learn Redux Toolkit without understanding Redux, then it completely depends on how you are taking the things up. But still, you should be aware of these concepts in Redux. First, three core concepts of Redux. Second, three principles of Redux. Third, what are actions? Fourth, what are action creators? Fifth, what is reducer? Sixth, what is stored? Seventh, combined reducers. Eighth, what is immer library? Ninth, what is middleware? 10th, how to perform asynchronous action in Redux. Then finally, how to use hunk middleware. So once you have understanding of all this concept in Redux, then 100% I can guarantee you, you can easily understand Redux Toolkit because behind the scene, Redux Toolkit will be reducing lot of boilerplate code. So if you have not understood Redux, then everything will be like a magic and you will not understand each and every concept and you will only confuse yourself. So that is the reason first understand Redux, only then proceed with Redux Toolkit.